Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we will be looking at sheep retainment. The first thing to understand is, what is sheep retainment? Well, sheep retainment simply means where you are changing the sheep type. So for example, if you are looking to change a lamb to a hog. If we begin by clicking the sheep tab at the top of the screen and then flock and events, you will see this will bring up all of your current flocks. If we right click, then choose events and then retained, you will see this brings you up to the add retainment screen. We then need to populate the fields with the correct information, like so. We'll choose my flock on this occasion. If you would like to record the tags, you would either click yes or no at this point. We will go with yes and we will come on to no later. This box is the retainment. This is where we will choose what we are retaining. So we will change lambs to hogs, for example. If I then click next and add a range of animals, choose the flock mark and how many we would like, so 10 new ones, you can see these 10 ear tags have now been added for retainment. We click next, and again you'll see the add retainment screen is informing you that 10 animals have now been processed for retainment. If we click finish, you will see the screen is now changed with the 10 hogs now being added and 10 lambs have now been removed. If I want to add retainment without tags, it is a similar process. We right click, choose events and then go to retained. The retained screen will then come up and we need to add the information as we had done previously. I'll choose my flock again, but this time I will choose no to recording the tags. You will see a different type of screen has appeared. If we choose the lambs, you will see there was 296 and we want to retain 50 to hogs. You'll see the numbers have now changed within this screen. If we then click next and then confirm the retainment, you'll see on the flock screen that these numbers have now been adjusted as we've asked the program to do so. If you find that you've made an error and need to edit or undo an event, then all you need to do is go to the Edit Undo Events tab at the top of the screen. This brings up all the previous event history. If you choose the retainment you would like to undo and right click and then choose Undo Event, this brings up a confirmation screen. If you then click yes, the retainment has then been deleted and the animals will. If you need to edit an event, all you need to do is right click on the event and click View and Edit. This will bring up the information for the event and then you can edit it as you see fit. Hopefully some of the things that you've watched will help you maximize your use of the program. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.